Traditionally, recommendations for teaching 10-finger typing come down to 2 tips. Waste your nerves on keyboard simulators like the notorious Keyboard Solo. Paste the signatures on the keys. Learning to type blindly on the keyboard using these methods is a mockery of yourself. Everyone who has tried Solo has slammed their fist on the keyboard at least once in rage, and almost no one has made it to the end. And those who tried to seal the inscriptions on the keys soon tore the stickers back, because without the skill and without the signatures it is impossible to print, but somehow you have to live on. Training. Print out and put next to the keyboard a diagram showing which finger is supposed to press which key. The way is to prevent yourself from pressing the keys with the wrong fingers. Everything. You do not need to drive yourself to a nervous breakdown by trying again and again 100 times without errors at the speed of letter combinations like alolo lolu. You don't need to learn anything special. You can look at the keyboard as much as you like. Just start typing in this way everything that you have to print in everyday life and work, and after a while you will be typing blindly. At first, the speed will noticeably drop, but after a couple of days of active typing, your speed will noticeably increase. Before touch typing, my speed was approximately 30 WPM. At the moment, the average typing speed in English is 70 to 80 words per minute. I got there in 4 days. I highlight 2 sites that help practice. One, So to Speak, is less strict, the second, respectively, is stricter. The first site is TypeRacer. It doesn't let you continue typing if you make a mistake and don't fix it, which greatly encourages you to be more attentive and try to press the right keys with the right fingers. But this has its downsides. Because of this, you can quickly get tired of doing this, because the errors will prevent you from continuing to type, and you will need to stop and correct the error. The second site, less strict, is MonkeyType. It allows you to move on to the next word without correcting mistakes, making the pastime on this site extremely easy, stress-free. The main thing here is not to rush. Try to hit the right keys, not make mistakes. Printing non-stop, constantly trying to press the right keys, you subconsciously quickly remember the correct arrangement of the keys and select the desired speed. Good luck.